How to deactivate Instagram account. So if you want to deactivate your Instagram account, then all you have to do is open up your Instagram app, and then on the bottom right corner you will have your profile icon. Tap on your profile, and on the upper right corner you will have three barred icon. Tap on that, and then head over to settings and privacy, and after that on the first option you will have account center. Tap on account center, personal details. So before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here on the last option you will have account ownership and control. Tap on that, and here you will have two options: memorialization or deactivation or deletion. You can tap on deactivation or deletion and then choose your Instagram, and here tap on deactivate account, and after that tap on continue. And for security reasons it will ask you to enter your password, and after entering your password you can tap on continue. And that's it guys, that's how you deactivate your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.